Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to supercharge your LinkedIn prospecting using Apollo.io. In this video, we'll walk through the setup, key features, and pro tips to help you get the most out of this tool. First, install the Apollo.io Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. To see if you already have the Apollo extension, you can select the Settings button here. Then hover the mouse over the extension and select Manage Extensions. If there is none, then it means you don't have the Apollo extension yet. To be able to install it, first we will look here for the Apollo extension download. Then we select this one. Then press this. Then press the Add to Chrome button and add the extension. Then we need to wait a little while to download the extension. Then the extension will be automatically installed. To be able to use it, we are required to log in first. If you don't have an account, then we check the terms and privacy policy. After that, we fill in the email or select Login using a Gmail account. If you have successfully logged in, then we will be taken to this onboard page. Here you can watch the explanation video or select the next button to continue. Next, you will be asked to explain your role. Here you can also skip this by pressing the skip button below. But because we will be assisted by AI, we need to provide as detailed information as possible so that AI understands what we want. Then we will return by pressing this previous button. For example, I will write here as a student. Then we press the Continue button. Next, we will be asked to explain what is the purpose of using Apollo. Here you can choose more than one option. Then press the Continue button. And here you can choose the options below to get more personalized setup. Then we press this Get Started button. And now, here we are on our dashboard page. To be able to use Apollo on LinkedIn, we need to open our LinkedIn account. Here I have opened my LinkedIn account. And if you see in the right corner, there is an Apollo logo, indicating that our Apollo extension is integrated with our LinkedIn and ready to use. For example, I will select this person, Gaia Salsabila. Okay, now we are on her profile page. Then click the Apollo sidebar to access her contact details. It can be seen here that Apollo shows us complete information about this person. We can access her email, telephone number, and we can also find out what company she works for. Also the type of company, the location of the company, and how many employees the company has. Below there is an Insight feature to view signals related to a company, including details on technology, hiring trends, and funding rounds. Next to the Insight feature, there is a Colleagues feature. Here we can view information about our colleagues. And next to it, there are Activities, where you can view past interactions with the company. You can also log new activities, such as notes and tasks, directly to Apollo. Let's try to access her email. Here Apollo will automatically save her contact, add prospects directly to pre-built email sequences from LinkedIn. Sequences are outreach campaigns that sales teams usually use to reach out to contacts over a planned period of time with sequential touchpoints like phone calls, emails, social media engagement, and other tasks. On Apollo, you can customize each step in a sequence to engage your target contacts and help your sales team speed prospects through your pipeline. Also use sequences on Apollo to enroll your highest priority leads into tailored, automated multi-channel sales campaigns that help you start meaningful conversations and set up meetings with your prospects to convert them into customers as efficiently as possible. Here's some tips from me. Use templates or personalized messages for higher engagement rates. And create multiple email sequences for different industries or job roles. /B test them to find what works best for each audience. And for maximum efficiency, use Apollo's integration with tools like Gmail and Slack to streamline communication. Automate reminders for follow-ups directly within the platform. Pair Apollo with AI, tools like ChatGPT to generate personalized outreach emails. That's how you use Apollo.io to master LinkedIn prospecting. Its simplicity and efficiency, making it as a must-have tool for professionals looking to scale their outreach. Let me know in the comments how Apollo.io has worked for you or if there's another tool you'd like me to review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more actionable tutorials like this one. See you on the other video. Goodbye.